Hello, this is Dave with. Hello, this is. Okay. Oh, who are you? Hey, y'all, this is Dave with the Bomb Smokes. Today, we're going to be cooking a fatty on the Weber Smoky Mountain. What's a fatty? You've never heard of a fatty? Or maybe you have. Either way, stay tuned. I got something in the mail today from Ken at Daddy Dutch Barbecue. Yes, sir. Some stickers. Daddy Dutch Barbecue. Actually, he sent me 2 of them. I haven't decided where I'm going to make my collage of stickers. I need something to stick them on, so I'm in the process of deciding that now, but thank you so much, Kent. I appreciate you sending me the stickers. I've done a bacon weave here. Now, I'm not going to show you how this is done. Actually, this is the first time I've done it, but I will leave a link of the video that I watched in order to learn, and I will eventually make a video on how I did this. Okay, I've got me a pot of 80/20 hamburger here. I'm going to mix a little bit of onion. And I've also got some jalapeno peppers, de-seeded. I've got 1 pack of cream cheese, and I've got a little cream cheese I had left over. I'm going to mix all this together. I'm taking the filling and I'm kind of making it like little patties. All right, y'all, I'm going to attempt to roll this. I'm going to pick up on the wax paper. Kind of tricky. I got it rolled. I think it'll be okay for my first time. I've got the Weber Smoky Mountain fired up. I like to keep the temperature between 250 and 270, and I am using the water pan. Now for this cook, I'm using some royal oak, a lump charcoal, and a mixture of hickory wood and apple wood. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All right, it has been an hour and a half now, and so we're going to check that small one. It's going pretty quick. Yeah, I believe it's done. Yeah, it's at least 165. So we're going to take it off first. Let's check this big one right here. It's about 136. We've still got a ways to go on now. Oh, by the way, I did brush some of this on there. Don't give us a try. Man, now that's delicious. You ought to give this a try, folks. Well, this brings another cooking session to a close. I want to thank you for joining me. And if you like this video, click the thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed already, click the subscribe channel and leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks a lot, and much health, happiness to y'all. Cheers.